Do you want to learn English and cook something delicious? Today, we will make creamy pasta together. It is easy, fast, and very tasty. First, let's look at the ingredients. Repeat after me. Pasta, milk, cream, garlic, butter, cheese, salt, black pepper. Now, let's start cooking. First, take a pot. Add water and turn on the heat. When the water is hot, add the pasta. Add a little salt and stir the pasta slowly. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Next, let's make the sauce. Take a pan. Add butter and let it melt. Then add garlic and cook the garlic for 1 minute. Smell it, it smells good. Now add milk, cream, and stir slowly. Next, add salt and black pepper. Add cheese and watch the cheese melt slowly. Now the pasta is ready. Take the pasta and put it in the sauce. Mix well. Slowly, slowly. Look at that. Creamy pasta. Now, let's taste. Very creamy, very delicious. You can make this at home. It is easy. Today you learned how to make creamy pasta in English. Try this recipe and practice your English. See you in the next video.